Like, can you share one more?
Very good morning, guys. I hope everyone is doing well. And welcome to your webinar in which we will be building your first AI agent completely without any coding experience. So, just give me a quick thumbs up that whether I'm audible to everyone or not. Am I audible to you guys? Everyone? That's great. Yeah, now I can see all the responses. Yeah. So imagine, guys, okay, I want to ask you one question that imagine having your personal assistant that never sleeps. How does it sounds to you? Having your own personal assistants, which will never sleep at all, okay? So does that sound good to you guys? What do you say? Is it interesting to have a build an AI agent as well? Exactly, right? Imagine you are giving a task, okay, that find and latest AI tools for yourself, right? Summarize them and send them to my email. So what happens behind the scene, the AI agent will start working as well. And first, it will search the entire internet and then it will use the AI models to summarize them and then it will give you in an organized way in your email ID. So finally, the automatically sends a clean report to your email ID or your notation, guys. So there is nothing that you guys have to do it apart from giving a task to an AI agent. So nowadays, as you can see, AI is very famous, right? Can you tell me before AI what was famous in the industry or in the market? Anyone? Before AI has come, what do you think, guys? What was the most trending topic or the hot topic? Yes, anyone, guys? Think a little bit. So the entire journey, okay, in the tech started with Windows, right? Creating a Microsoft Windows, and then the revolution came and everything. Yes, internet is there. Internet is back in the time we are using internet. Can I say before AI tools, guys, we had a huge wave of creating a softwares. So everyone was building a software, no matter what topic is that, what domain is that, everyone was going to build a software for a particular task, right? And then came the AI, then came the first AI thing, okay, in the market, and the market is now completely changed, right? What was that first AI platform that you guys explored? Anyone? Yes. What do you think, guys? What was that first AI platform that you guys have explored? Did you started with ChatGPT? Did you started with Gemini? Yeah, I can see mostly ChatGPT is the yeah. Everyone has started mostly with the ChatGPT, right? After that, can you see that there are so many other AI platforms, right? We are using it, and you can see there is a complete difference, okay, in a ChatGPT and the Claude as well. So why this there is so much of difference, right? Because ChatGPT was created on the basis of the model that using a prompt as a text format, right? And then later on, ChatGPT got developed, and we are able to add it the images. It was creating or generating the responses as well. Now, in today's thing, okay, in today's webinar, what we guys will be doing it, we guys will be building your first AI assistant, or you can say the AI bot in today's session, guys. And then after doing that, okay, everyone just have to follow the same steps, and you guys can have your own AI bot, okay, which will never sleep, okay. So you give any task, anytime, okay, the AI will respond you within seconds. Is it clear, guys? Are you guys all excited for today's webinar? Yes. I want all the thumbs up on the chat box, guys, before we begin building this. Can you guys tell me what is your background, guys? Are you coming from a technical background or a non-technical background? And good thing is that you can use this particular project in your resume, guys, in your portfolio. So it will be very much great, okay, if you are adding all these things in your resume, guys. Okay. Yeah, great. Okay, so doesn't matter if you are coming from a technical background or a non-technical background, you guys will see that it is just so easy to build an AI agent, okay, using that platform, guys. Clear with this, everyone? That's great. Okay, that's great. Now let me just quickly share my screen and we will see that there are some of the platforms that we require. Okay. Have you guys have heard of N10? Anyone? Yes. Have you guys have heard of N10? So N10 is a platform, guys, that builds an automation. The process of automation was built by using N10. Okay. All right. So let me just quickly share my screen. Great. Yeah, okay. My name is Hitesh, and I have couple of years experience in AI agent and building an AI tools as well, along with full stack, guys. Okay, so we will be building this AI model, and let us see that how we can integrate this in our website as well. If you want this, you can integrate any AI agent in the web platform, guys. And there is no code. Okay, everything will be automate using N8N, free AI models and Telegram. So basically, you will be building a bot on your Telegram account. Okay, everyone have a Telegram account, right? And that bot will work only for you guys. Clear? Now, moving ahead, okay, what we will be taking from this session. So by this end of this session, okay, you will understand what is an AI agent is, okay, that how does the AI agent actually works and what is a real automation workflow is, okay. Basically, you are building an AI agent, but the thing is that you need to understand the backend, guys. You need to understand behind the scene that how does the real automation workflow works with that, okay. And what are the free AI models tool, okay, that we can use it easily whenever at the time of integration, guys. And simple as that, deploy a Telegram study assistant. So in your Telegram account, you just have to give all the questions, okay, whatever you face difficulties, like explain photosynthesis, explains Newton's third law, solve the problem of DSA and the array, anything, okay, whatever is your reply to that bot, whatever is your problem statement to that bot will reply you with the same answer with that, okay. So now how to extend it further as well, okay. So let us see that how can we integrate with our website, how we can get download the PDF from that bot, how can that bot help us to connect with my Google Calendar and everything, guys. Clear with this? Yes or no? So that tools that we will see, okay, that tools that we will use is N8N, okay, completely free automation engine. I will show you that how you can download N8N in your system as well, guys. Okay. Usually we don't download this, but yes, to make it use, we need to download in your system, okay. And then there is something called as Open Router, free AI models. Basically, if you want to communicate with someone, you need to understand that how I am able to connect with two things. And this free router AI models, okay, gives me all the API keys. Now, what is an API key? API key is a access, so I can connect, communicate with the other platforms and a Telegram bot interface, guys. This is actually we will see in today's session. Along with that, we can also add the Google Sheet as well, guys. Clear with this, everyone? Yes or no? Yes, that's great. Okay. Now, let us see that, okay, who is this for? Particularly when you are building this AI bot, we need to target the specific audience. And this AI bot, we are targeting all the students. Okay. So we are building this AI bot. It can help you as a student in your day to day task, in your day to day college and the syllabus, guys. And what is an AI agent? If someone asks you what is an AI agent, so just explain that in a plain English, okay? So it is like hiring an intern who works for you, okay, and which never sleeps, never take any kind of salary as well. So there is a person in the form of AI agents which covers everything, okay? So it is not like a chat bot. Chat bot talks, but AI agent will talk and act on that particular prompt, guys. It will give you the output as you are able to give the prompt. So chatbot is a different thing, AI agent is completely a different thing. Is it clear, guys, everyone? Yes. So the first platform, okay, I will introduce you, that is N10. So everyone just have to go to N10, okay, .io, and you will get this platform, guys. Now inside this platform, okay, what does this particular platform does? It creates an AI workflow automation. So many companies are using this, okay, and you will see that how easy it is to build an AI agent. You just have to go with the basic logic, okay? Now what we need to understand is, whenever you are building something, what do you think, what is the first phase of the what is that first step comes in your mind, guys, whenever you are building anything, whether you are building a house or a car, okay, or maybe an AI agent? Your first step, what comes in your mind, guys? What is that first thought? Anyone? What do you say, guys? Yes, and this is completely certified. Okay, so you guys will receive the certification after the end of this particular webinar, guys. Blueprint, exactly, Abhinav, right? Even if you are building a house, we need to understand the complete plan. Yes, and that is something should be your first step, guys. And now, before that, you need to have a specific idea. And right now, we have an idea that we are building an AI agent for the particular target audience are students, right? So idea is completely there, but how this particular AI agent will be built? So idea and then plan is there. What I want Telegram as the source of the bot, so I want to use the Telegram there. Then this particular AI agent should be in the automated process. So I am using a platform called as N8N to make this as a automation process. So what I will be doing it, okay, let me just quickly share my screen and I will show you how easy it is, okay. You just have to connect everything to your AI agent, and AI agent will you understand that what actually we are building it. So if you can see the simple diagram, simple as that, guys, okay. So on create user, imagine this is your chat GPT prompt where user is giving any prompt. That prompt, it is going straight away to the AI agent, and that AI agent is using different models, okay, whether it is Gemini, whether it is Claude, whether it is ChatGPT, any model, okay, you can connect with this. I will generate the output and give you as the answer. So this is how the N8N works, okay. It connects all the nodes and everything, guys. So which is very important. The second platform that we will use, okay. So what you can do is you can sign up in your N8N. So as a student, okay, you should get a free sign up as well. Just click on sign in here, okay. Write anything as the account name. Make sure that you are writing this. And now you can see I can just click on open admin panel. It will give me a link. So just make sure that you create your account in the N8N. That's it, okay. You don't need to do anything else apart from creating the account. Is it clear, guys? And if you want, I can share you this link. I am writing n10.io. So you can click on sign in or you can click on get started, guys. Understood? This is the one platform that you require. And the second platform that you require is Open Router, guys. The basic meaning of this Open Router platform is it will provide you free API keys. Like if you want to connect with your WhatsApp, if you want to connect with your Telegram, if you want to connect with your Gmail account, okay, that AI agent needs the address of that particular source, right? If you are going to your friend's place and you don't have an address, you cannot visit to that particular place. Same thing open router does, okay, gives you the path, gives you the API key, so you can connect with the platforms like Telegram, ChatGPT, WhatsApp, Gmail, and every other platforms. So make sure that you go to the open router, okay, get your free API. You just have to sign in this particular thing and click on get API key. Once you click on get API key, it will provide you the API key. Is it clear? So let me show you the API key by using open router. After you sign in, okay, that is the important thing everyone should be aware about. Going to then open router, it is already signed in, as you can see this. If I click on get API key, I will get my API key here. And everyone can see this, and limit is unlimited. So I don't have to worry about that particular thing. Okay. I can create more API key also by clicking on this button. So this is one thing that you require, that is there inside our automation, guys. Okay. Which is something that we have to get it. Is it clear, guys? Do you want the link of this platform? I will be sharing you on the chat box. Everyone, if you are creating with me, yes, I can see that in the last session, guys, so many people, many students have received the certification. What you can do is you can share the email ID, okay, in this today's webinar, Google Meet, okay, and then the team will connect with you for the certification. Clear, guys? So I've shared you this link, as you can see this. Great. So now coming back to this platform, you can just simply have to create an API keys, okay, and store this API key, save it somewhere. And then what is the next step that you have to do, guys? You have to open your Telegram, okay. So make sure that you open the Telegram. I am writing the steps here in the paint, okay. So follow the same steps for the Telegram bot, guys. Open your Telegram, and inside your Telegram, search for this particular thing, something known as bot father. That is something that will help you to create the bot, guys. Okay, search for bot father. That's it. Okay, if you are getting the bot father, let me know, and that's it. Understood, guys? Telegram bot father is required no matter what you do, guys. Okay, it will be the most important thing. Understood? And then we will have the hands-on, okay, like how to add the Telegram, triggering the request, okay. Whenever you are sending any message to an Telegram, it is that you are making a request to the Telegram, guys, right? That I want this particular request. As per your request, your AI model will generate you the output, guys. Understood? Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no? Yes, that's great. Okay, that's great. Now, what you have to do is, after you sign up with NA10, okay, you guys have to open the NA10. You have to create your account, and it will show you something like this. If you are able to get this output, guys, let me know. Everyone. So, this is the platform. Okay, got it, right? Great. You can use your college ID, there's no problem with that, okay. And I will give you one command in which you can download the NA10, okay, in your system. So you don't need to use it over the platform. You can also download the NA10 in your local machine. The command is very simple, guys, okay. Let me give you this command once. Command is, you have to write, yeah, let me just share my. Yeah, can everyone can see this? You have to got it the CMD, but make sure that you have completely signed in the NA10. Okay. Before you do that, you everyone needs to be signed in the NA10. So I'll just show you one more time how to do this. Everyone is having this open router, right? Great, great, great. So after you create your account, open the workspace, guys. This is your workspace. This is known as where you are building the AI agent, guys. And after you build the AI agent, you have to connect everything whatever is required. Is it clear? So as you can see this, I can see one plus symbol here. Okay. So the first thing that I require is my Telegram. So I'm just writing here as Telegram. Can you see this? I'm searching that what will trigger this workflow. How does this particular AI agent will work from? By using Telegram, as you can see this, okay, on message. Make sure that you are using on message, okay. When someone will message on the Telegram, okay, I will be providing the output. Now, once you are using this Telegram trigger, okay, you need to have your own Telegram account API. How to get this API, guys? By using the bot father. What you have to do, you have to go to the Telegram, click on bot father, send one command called as my bots slash my bots. Create your bot here, okay. It will ask you to create a bot, write the name of the bot, okay, provide the username, and then at the same time it will give you one API as well. API of that particular bot. Is it clear? So once you get the API, copy the API and paste it in the Telegram account, guys. Copy API token, and that same API token, I want you guys to paste it in the credentials, guys. Okay. So you can see Telegram account API, paste it. If you want to have a new API, you can click on this pencil symbol, and that's it. Once you provide this, okay, as you can see this is your production URL and this is your test URL. Done. Done. After this, what happens? Now my trigger is started, okay, that I'm gonna start with the Telegram message. So whenever I will write something on the Telegram, okay, my bot will activate, and once my bot will activate, it will give me the response, guys. Is it clear with everyone? Yes or no? Done with that? That's great, great. Okay. Yeah, you can use any other platform as well, okay? So there's no problem with that, but make sure that N10 workspace is there with you guys. Now, what happens? The request, okay, the Telegram request needs to go somewhere, right? So how does your request will travel? How does the bot will receive the request? By using HTTP. By using you what, guys? So there is a platform called as HTTP platform, okay, where we are creating our workflow. So that is very important to create your workflow by creating a HTTP here. So I'm just writing here as HTTP, okay, as you can see this. HTTP request. So that request will go to the HTTP and you need to select the methods. So I'm selecting a post method. Post means to send something as a request, okay? And get means to get something, get the data, okay? So whenever you are posting anything on the Instagram, right? So that is a post request because you are sending a new photo as your post. It can be your different kinds of reels or message as well. So it is very important for you guys, okay, to understand which method you have to use at what time. Clear with this, guys, everyone? Yes, that's great. Okay, so use the HTTP request there, and now what you need to understand is to select Yeah, am I audible to you right now, guys? Yes, everyone. Am I audible to you? Now, great. Okay. Yeah. So the basic query is that N10 is free or not. Okay. Can we use N10 more than 15 days? Just a trial version. Okay. So what happens here is when I'm installing N10 in my platform, okay, you need to understand that N10 is not completely free, right? So we will definitely need to understand that when we are installing anything in your local machine, that time we can use it, guys. Okay, so no problem with that. We have 15 free services given by the N10, so you can utilize most of that thing. Okay, so after you write this thing, it will make sure that it is downloaded in your system and you can use it from your local machine, like your laptop is there or computer is there. So that is something, an advantage that you guys have. Okay, so it will make sure to give you the output. So let it get installed completely. Okay, it will take some time because it is a very big platform. Okay, very big software there. And once it is completely installing that, it will tell you to click on O stands for open the browser, and you will see that N10 is running. Okay, as you can see this. Yeah, let it show you the warnings. These are just warnings. It is completely fine with that. Okay, so there is no kind of error we are having it. Clear with this? Yes, great, great. Yeah, it will be definitely available in the recording format, okay. But those who are attending the sessions from the starting, okay, and I will be giving you one small task as well, that how to create an AI bot that we will see. And once after we complete that, I will be giving you a small task, and you guys have to complete that particular task, and then we will be going with the certification process, okay. So not only just that you are here to see how it works. I want everyone to build a tool, okay, and get something from this webinar. Okay, and that's the primary goal, that whenever you are learning anything, how you are applying that concept, okay, by creating an application which is working in your system or which is working in any other platforms, which is built by you. That is important. Okay, and that we need to understand. Once it completely runs, okay, so let us go with our phase 2, where we will get the API key. So I want everyone just to create the account here. Okay, click on get API key, simple as that. Okay, it will give you the API key. You just have to copy that particular API key. It will show you in the format of something like this, as you can see this. So you can simply copy this API key, okay, and use it as well. Make sure that you do this, okay. And now what happens here? Now after this, you need to open your Telegram and do the exact same thing. Search bot father in your telegrams, write hash my blots bot and create a bot. Give the username to that particular bot, guys. Okay, set anything as the username, my study planner bot, my AI study bot. Okay, but make sure that ends with bot. Username should ends with bot, guys. It is very important for you. And copy the token. Once you copy the token, okay, just verify whether it is giving you the response or not. Clear with this? So phase 1 is to download the NetN, okay. Phase 2 is to go to the open router API and get the API key. Create a API key first and then copy that API key, save with you guys. Phase 3 is to go to the Telegram, click on my bot father, create a bot of that, okay, and copy the API token that. And after you do that, okay, after you do that, what we need to do, we need to arrange them, guys. Okay, so that is what is very important for us, that how we are arranging that particular thing, guys. Clear with this? Done. Great, great. Okay, now you will definitely get one output as editor is now accessible at http localhost 5678. If N10 is showing you this, that means it is running on your computer. You just have to create a free account on that. Okay, make sure that you remember your ID and the password or whatever the email IDs you are using it. Understood? Yes, that's great, guys. Okay, now let us see that how we will be connecting them. How we will be connecting them, guys. Okay, so are you also guys installing N10 with me? Yeah, it is a paid platform, but for 15, okay, and for next 15 days, you can use it for completely free. Getting it? So we need to understand, okay, how this platform is working. And that should be, yes, once you know that how this platform is using, okay, how we are creating it, it will be great thing, right? So as you can see this, after you create account, okay, you can click on this plus symbol. It will create your new workspace. As you can see this is your workspace. So now after you click on the plus symbol on the top right corner, okay, this is the platform where you will start building your workflow. Now before this it was completely empty, right? If I just remove this, you can see this completely empty at all, right? So click on this big search button, okay, and type the first thing, telegram trigger. Telegram trigger. As you can see, just write telegram here. It will ask you on trigger on what? On message. Done. And paste your telegram bot API key here. Make sure that you paste it. It is very important for you guys. Okay. And click on trigger on message. It is already there. So I will be triggering on the message given by the user. Simple as that. And then once you write your API bot key here and message here, you need to close this, guys. So your first setup is done, okay, by adding Telegram trigger in your workspace. The second setup, that when Telegram will make a request, how the request will go to the internet, how this AI agent will take that message of the user, okay. Now you only imagine, guys, if you are giving a message to your AI agent that give me the recipe of a biryani, right? So that is the message that you have given to that Telegram bot. And if I don't search for that particular prompt, what is the recipe for biryani? I am getting the output from the internet, that is fine. But how does that message is going to the internet? So there are different types of methods, okay? You can understand basic two methods known as get and post. Post means to send the data, okay, to the internet, and get means to get the response from the server. So now what is our goal? That my message should go to the internet, okay. So we will be using a method called as post method, guys, okay. And that is very important for you guys whenever you are working on this request and response along with the internet, guys, okay. And set your URL. Here it is what is important, you have to set your URL with HTTPS, your open router, guys, okay. What you need to write, your open router. So I am writing this particular thing. I will be sharing you the same thing on your chat box, so you can directly use this. So we are telling that first you will go to the open router platform, verify that I am having an API key, okay, which you have created, and that API key is connected with my Telegram as well. So I will have no problem in any kind of verification, guys, okay. So I'll copy this and put it on the chat box. As you can see this. Yes, Node.js definitely you need to install. If you want to install Node.js, okay, I will be sharing you one platform. So most of the technical person will be having a Node.js. So it is very easy, guys. Okay, just go to this platform. Just go to this platform here and click on this button called as Windows Installer.msi. And then how you are downloading and installing. Yes, it is certified. Okay, yeah. So how you are installing your particular softwares, the same thing. Click on next, 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 and click on finish. So yes, After writing the URL, guys, okay, here we need to provide the authentication, right? How I will be authenticating to you guys. So it is very important for you to click on the headers option here, okay? So if you see that I have an option called as add option here, okay, or you can see send headers. And after using click on send headers, header means to provide more information, okay, about your particular request. And then I will be writing the name as authentication and I will provide my API key. What you have to write in the header? You have to write the name as authorization and provide the value as your open router API key, which will give you the complete verification that this request has been made by using this particular API key. So that API key, I'm just downloading this. Yeah, I think here is my API key, right? So this is what my API key looks like. Yeah, so I can simply copy this, okay, and paste it inside this. So authorization, you have to write where and your API key, which is very important for you guys. And second thing, add one more header. Add one more header, okay, because the data which you are sending from the chat box or the Telegram bot, it is there in the simple English, okay, and that data we need to convert into JSON format. Simple meaning of JSON format, guys, okay, that our data when it is shared among through the different platforms, like from the internet to the Telegram bot or your WhatsApp message, okay. So when you write a WhatsApp message, that data, okay, goes to your friend's WhatsApp thing, how it is traveling over the internet. And when I receive the message, okay, it is the exact same form, like hi, how are you? But in the internet it is in a different form, okay. So whenever we use or share our data guys, or communicate with each other, we go with the JSON format. In simple terms, it provides or converts the data into human readable format, guys. So after providing authorization, where and the API key, guys, okay, you need to make sure that you write both these things, content type and the authorization. Is it clear with this, guys, everyone? And make sure that you trigger the body as well. Once you trigger the body, okay, set it on the JSON format as it is already there, okay, and then using JSON format, as I can see this, both should be in the JSON format, guys, and I'm providing you that what you have to write inside this. So here you need to be writing some information, because how does the data will be traveling it. Now let me just give you that particular thing. Yes, so you just have to copy this, guys, okay. What actually we are doing it, we are telling the particular model, okay, that you are an AI friendly bot, okay, study assistants, and generate the response as per the user's request, okay. What is your role? Your role is the system and my role is a user or student will send a message and you will generate a response, and this is where the magic will happen. So you have written the entire script that how it will work, guys, okay. And after doing this, that's it, okay. You just click on the cross symbol here and it's just fine, completely fine, guys. Understood, everyone? Yes. So providing this, it is very important, so I will be sharing you on the chat box if you want this. Yeah. So once we provide this, guys, okay, that's it. You don't need to do anything. You just have to click on close, and the entire data has been filled in inside your HTTP request, guys. Now, after this, what happens? After this, what happens, guys? Is it enough to have this? No, guys. And now we have to set a note which will make a AI request. And after that, okay, you can see the right hand side of this. I have to click on this plus button and search for edit field. Which field? Edit fields. And this will help me to get the reply as well. And now I just have to click on the mode. Okay, as you can see, I have a mode here and I have to write the mode as JSON format. It is very important for me to get this mode. Okay, or else what you can do is you can set the name to AI reply and value as to click the expression, guys. Okay, what you can do, so if you don't write manual mapping, you can just write manual mapping, add a field name as AI reply. Okay, and value we need to write on the expression side. So once we write value, okay, so you can simply write the value in this format. So I will get the value in the JSON format, simple as that, guys. Once I get the value, okay, you can see this. Yeah, let me just give the value in the JSON format. So I'm writing curly bracket, okay, and here I'm writing that whatever the output that I'm getting, okay, make sure that I'm getting from the number of choices and then message dot content. In simple meaning, if I want to explain you, okay, that when you will make a HTTP request, right, to that AI agent mode, that what is the explain me photosynthesis. So your message is going from your Telegram to that open router, and open router is giving your message to the internet, finding and collecting all the requirements, okay, and then replying you back, right? And when it is replying you back, it should be in human readable format, that is the JSON format, guys. So you can easily understand how does the data is traveling, guys. Okay, so it is very important for you guys to write this, okay, one of the important thing. And now you can simply click on close, guys. Once you click on close, as you can see this, and now the last step is to provide the Telegram send message node, because Telegram will be sending you the reply, right? Who will be sending you the reply? Telegram. First, you were writing the request, you were sending the prompt on the Telegram. Now it is Telegram's time, okay, to send the reply. As you can see, I am writing the Telegram here, okay, and make sure that you select the action version, not just the, yes, you can see you have to write actions, okay, not the trigger one, because Telegram is giving you action of what? Send a message. If you just scroll down, okay, you will see something called as chat actions, okay. As you can see, chat action is there, and then there is something called as delete. Then there is something called as send location. Okay, I just want a text message, so I am selecting text message. If you want your Telegram, okay, to work with locations, animated files, audios, to generate videos and send you back, you can use all the actions, guys. Clear with this? So now make sure that your Telegram account is the same thing connected with your first Telegram API that you created by using your bot father, guys. And now what else you need to do this, okay? You need to make sure that you click on the chat ID. And inside the chat ID, you have to click on the expressions part. So there are two things, fixed and expressions. And now you have to write this particular thing, that I will get the output from $JSON dot reply dot AI reply. So what output the Telegram needs to send you back? Whatever the AI is replying you, guys. Can you see it is logically connected? So Telegram will never show you anything, okay? Telegram will never show you anything. It will just show you whatever the AI is giving as me the reply. Once AI is giving me the reply, okay, and that's it. So here in the chat ID, I have to write something different thing, okay? So I'm writing that equal to is very important. Okay, equal to is very important. And now I'm writing dollar parenthesis, and this you have to write telegram trigger. And this is not a coding, guys. If you are thinking that this is I am writing any code, no, it is just that I am writing the correct information to train or to give a clear message to this AI bot. What is happening, where you will send the message, right? Suppose you are texting a person A, and in the place of person A you are sending a text to person C. Do you think it is a logical? No, right? So if you are giving a message to the Telegram account, okay, it should reply in your account, right? It should not reply your friend, or it should not reply to anyone else. And that's what you are telling, okay, that Telegram will trigger the request. As per that particular chat ID, you have to send the response. And inside the text, okay, you have to write what response you will be sending you. Whatever the AI will be generating the response, that response I want you to send me, but in the JSON format. And JSON format will convert that particular reply into human readable format. Are you guys getting it? Yes or no? Everyone? That's great. So if you see, your workflow has four main things: Telegram, HTTP, edit, and send a text message. And that's it, guys. Okay, you don't need to anything else. Okay, once you have this particular thing, what else you can do? You can simply you can simply click on the activate button. Okay, you can simply click on the activate button. As you can see, this. Yes. So this is an activate button, okay? And now, can you just directly run this? No, we cannot directly run this, guys. The reason it is, okay, we need to first click on publish. Once you click on publish, and that time it will be activated. And once it is activated, you need to open your Telegram thing, find your bot, give a reply to that Telegram bot, guys. Okay, anything, explain me Newton's second law with an example, explain me oops concept in Python. Okay, so your workflow will look like in this format of, that thing will go into your Telegram will trigger a request that will go to the internet, because it is a post request. So it will send your prompt over the internet, get the output in the forms of text fields. Okay, whatever the output I will write, I will be writing in a text field, and give it back to my Telegram. And Telegram will write the text message back to the user, guys. Are you guys getting it? The complete workflow of building this Telegram AI bot, guys. You just simply have to click on publish. Once you click on publish, it will be activated, and you can click on execute workflow, guys. Clear with this concept? And this is how you are have to build the particular AI bot in which you have integrated your Telegram here. And now anytime, okay, it is not that if you are not active on this N10 workflow, doesn't matter. Okay, even if you are not active, and from anywhere you can send a message, and that AI agent will be active 24 by 7 for you guys. Okay, so it will never sleep, it is always on the automation process. And that is the power of building an automation AI tool, guys, because we don't need to worry about whether it will be stop or not generate the answer. It can be easily come with you, okay, as your personal assistant. And whenever you want anything nowadays, there are so many different AI agents, okay, which help you in your day-to-day task, scheduling a meeting. Okay, if you guys have to send an email, that too you don't need to do it personally. Okay, you just have to tell that AI agent in the terms of audio or the text format that send the email or trigger an email to this particular person, send set a meeting at this particular time, give me the entire schedule of my day. So that AI agent will work for you guys, and it will be doing it completely for free. Yes. And this is what the process of building an AI agent look like. So what we started, let me just give you the complete overview. Okay, first you need to have must have an NA10. NA10 is just for completely automation process. If you are having a automation process, okay, then only that AI agent will be having a complete work space and a complete automated thing, guys. Okay, and then you should have an open router API key. The reason it is, okay, that once you have the API key, it is easy to communicate over the internet, because API key will make sure that it provides your credentials. Okay, like when you guys have Aadhaar card and the PAN card, right, to verify your guys, same thing that API key works. Okay, so if you are making a, like, communicating with someone, okay, and that API key will give your credentials. Yeah, this is a good person. This is a valid user, okay, and then you can get the response. And the third thing is that you need to create a Telegram bot, which is very easy, guys. You just have to search for bot father, okay, and inside that you just search for new bot. Telegram itself will create a bot, okay, and that bot you have to connect with your workspace. So there are two things: you are building a bot, getting the address of the bot, okay, because there can be multiple bots as well. So like you guys are having different names, you can provide the bot as a username. Along with the username, every bot will have a unique address in the terms of API. That address you need to give it to your N10 workflow. So once you click on that plus symbol, we create a Telegram trigger mode, okay, and once we create a trigger mode, we first set up that Telegram account API key. Once it is now set up, I provide the API key of my Telegram bot, and then I go to the next phase. Click on the plus symbol again, and then I write open router. Okay, so I want to connect with the HTTP request. And then we are using the AI request body. So how it goes? It goes to the body, okay, and choose your JSON format. So whatever your role is as a user, when you are writing something in your normal English, we feel like that it is just an English. But behind the scene, that data is converted into JSON format, so we can communicate over the internet. So my internet can understand what is your actual request. And when internet will provide me anything, I will convert into the JSON format before showing into the user. So JSON format is very important, okay, to communicate with any other thing. And then we just need to set the node, okay, for the AI reply, because when AI will reply you, you need to make sure that in which format it is replying you. Okay, so done everything. At the last, you just activate this and test your AI agent. So your complete workflow will see in this way, guys. Telegram student will send or question something. That question we will take to the open router and generate. That model will generate the smart answer, okay. And then we will extract the only clean text. It is not that I will give you 500 words of reply, guys. From that 500 words, I will summarize that and give you top 100 lines, okay, or in a very compact and a clear way, that photosynthesis is the process, okay, whatever is required, okay, not any extra information or the jargons, just a complete simple output. And then the answer will send back to the student. So the total response time between this, it will be hardly 3 to 5 seconds. And the important advantage is, once activated, the workflow will listen 24 by 7. You don't need to keep your computer on, your system on, guys. And that is something that we need to understand. So NA10 will be completely free tier, okay. Open router is a free model, completely free to run every day on your system, guys. Clear with this? So these are the demo examples that I want you, okay, that you should try in your AI model, guys, okay, or the AI agent. Understood with this? Yes or no? Great, great, okay. So bonus thing, what else you can do, guys? Okay, once you have created this, I want you to think more about that. It is just giving you the response, but how we can master this particular agent, okay, into three powerful features as a student. AI PDF summarizer, okay, that should be your next phase. That means when AI is connected with my Google Drive, how to do that, okay, in the same way. Whenever you have a workspace, guys, you can connect this workspace to anything, okay. You can connect to this workspace to your drive as well. You can connect this workspace to anywhere. And not only just that, as you can see this, I can tell the exact actions, okay. What is happening here is that, yes, am I audible? Great, great, okay. Yeah, I will share you the body file, okay, of HTML. Just one second. So I'm sharing you in two halves, okay? So make sure that you copy in the same way. So after comma, you can simply write this because it doesn't allow me more than 40 characters, I think so, okay? I will be sharing you after clearly. Yes, so once again, yeah, let me share you this, okay? Done. You can see your complete body HTTP request is there, okay? Yes. So what is happening here? Workflow because of the limitation in Telegram trigger. Okay, can't listen to the test execution same time listening. Make sure that, okay, if you are getting this error, okay, it is telling you that it is not able to listen, or you can just click on this unpublish button once, execute the workflow, okay, in from your Telegram bot. You have to wait for some time, okay. Whenever you are giving a prompt to the Telegram, wait for 3 to 5 seconds and check what response you are getting it, guys. Okay, so as I was telling you, after doing this, okay, after doing this, what else you can do is you can connect here, okay. You can connect and add one more thing, that this request can go to my chat gpt or Gemini or anything, okay, like PDF generator. So I can use Google Gemini here and connect with that. So these are the things, okay, that this Telegram request can go to the another platform. How I am able to connect everything, okay, that is important in building an AI workflow. So you need to understand everything. The connection is very important, that planning, okay, when you are able to do that. So you can use an AI PDF summarize, which gives the access of the Google Drive, get the PDF and summarize it in the text format. AI exam quiz prepare, okay, it will store the prompts, okay, like if you want to talk about DSA error concept, and then you have to talk about the memory and everything, so that you can use to build this over the next space. Along with that, email reply is something that everyone does, okay, in the industry now. Every email is now an automated email. So you just need to provide your Gmail, okay, and provides the credentials as well. Definitely, if you don't provide the credentials, it will not be working on, guys. Clear with this? So a quiz free resource, okay, you can see this, that these are the platforms that we guys use it, and we have used today the for N10, Open Router and Telegram bot, right? So you can see that free AI model is there, Open Router is there, and make sure that you take a picture of this, so you can use this same platforms, okay, every time whenever you want to build any workflow with an AI agent, guys. Okay, you can completely automate that process as well. Clear with this? Yes. Now let me show you one more platform, okay. Is there anyone who has heard of AI, guys? Is there anyone who has heard of Blue AI as well? What do you say? There is one platform, okay, I want you to check on your Google Play, okay, or a Play Store app, guys. You can check, there is one application called as Blue AI model. So what happens in this Blue AI model, this has been completely created for keeping the students in the target. As a student, what challenges that we guys are facing is that whenever I want to study for any particular subject, suppose if I talk about physics, okay, so if I'm doing and studying for physics, the syllabus is very big. Same thing, okay, if I'm in a BCA, MCA, or doing any other particular course, BTech, CSC, the syllabus is very huge, right, guys? And when the syllabus is too big, okay, I'm getting confused that from where I should start. Should I start from the topic one or topic last? Should I start from the weightage and something like this? So this Blue AI will work as per your results, guys. Okay, so in this entire content, you just have to tell the prompt that I am a student doing this particular studies, okay, and I want, my goal is to become a full stack developer or a web developer or a data science, okay, and that Blue AI will create the complete course, okay, in a model wise. So which module you need to cover first, okay, if in order to become, your role is to become a full stack developer. So in that way, okay, you do not need to worry about, you first need to complete the challenge of the first module, that is HTML. It will give you the test as per your response, okay. If you think that your, it will find out what is your important, or you can say what is something that is having a more advantage. As per that, as per your response, okay, it will give you the particular modules and the test. It will highlight your weak points, it will help you understand, okay, what is your strong point, how you can achieve this, and what are the different types of modules we will go. So after completing HTML, it goes with CSS, JavaScript, along like that, guys. Okay, so I want you to explore these two platforms. As a student, it will be very helpful for you guys. Is it clear with this? Yeah, guys.